Global Institute of Technology and Management Gurgaon was established in the year 2008. The institute is home to the top IT companies and MNCs in India. It is spread over 18 acres of land with lush green surroundings and state-of-the-art infrastructure to provide the best facilities to the students. Here you can see the classroom, which is a positive place for students to work towards their specific goals. These classrooms offer the right study environment to students so they can get the best out of the learning experience. We have now arrived at the campus library. The campus library is spacious and flooded with natural light. It has the latest edition of books, publications, and magazines available for students' consumption. This is the computer lab at the campus. With modern technology and upgraded systems, it offers students all amenities required to learn everything they need to know about computers and automation. You can see the auditorium that has top-notch audio-visual facilities for enjoying memorable cultural performances, competitive events, and more group activities. This is the campus canteen, which offers a wide variety of meals and snacks that serve as a perfect break between classroom lectures. This is the campus playground where students can indulge in outdoor activities and sports. It is a big space which can be used for recreational and sports activities. These are the hostels at the campus, with good quality furniture and a hostel mess that operates during breakfast, lunch, evening, and dinner time. This is the perfect home away from home for students. Students do not have to worry about traveling to the city or visiting nearby places, as the campus offers excellent transport facilities. The buses are in great condition and are available to all campus students. This brings us to the end of the Campus 360 video of GITM Gurgaon. As you saw, the campus infrastructure is ready to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.